in a mystery. It's time that we black people learn our Black Buddhist history. White folks know that they hide things in plain daylight when niggas won't look. If you want to hide Black Buddhist history, just put it in a book. You see, young blacks like to sing, dance, and rap. In my day, if a brother could talk, we call it a mic. If you want to learn Black Buddhist history, there's a temple on the Nile River called the Apodimac. Just Google it. You know, don't be no dumb nigga. If you don't know your Black Buddhist history and act like a hoe, learn your Black Buddhist history. There's a capital city in Nubia called Meroe. They said that blacks cannot do math and science. That is a lie. Blacks do math in a movie called The Hidden Figures. The real untold story of blacks. It's the story of the niggas. You see, white folk hide black history that made blacks, that they didn't know one thing. The word niggas in the Nubian language means king. Tell the racist when you call me a nigga, be sure to say it loud. So when you call me a nigga, that makes me proud. Dr. Martin Luther King said, let freedom ring. When you call me a nigga, then you're calling me a king. It is written in the record books, the oldest records of black kings and queens. It's called A Glory to Kings, and it's the story of us. Google the word, it's called the Kibra Nagas. Again, the Kibra Nagas, the Kibra Nagas. You see, we proud Black Buddhists, like we call niggas, that's us. We the real niggas. And knowledge is our Black Buddhist history and culture is us. We're the kings, we're the niggas. You see, the father of history is a Greek called Herodotus. He recorded in the history books about us. It is no doubt that black kings were called Nagas. Herodotus visited Nubia, capital on the Nile called Meroe. He said that Meroe was the capital of the cradle of Timnosophis. Study of black history, and you know that it's us. See, history, you know, the name of the Buddhist is the Timnosophis. You see, white folk rewrote Black Buddhist history, the Asia. They don't teach you about the Black Buddhist history of Asia. See, white races are going to teach you about Black-Asian relations. It was black people who created the Indus Valley civilization. Racists have you thinking that your ancestors were dumb and untold words of arms. The Indus Valley civilization is called that of the Harappans. Look it up. From the Harappans came the great Empire Magadha. It was started by a black man named Sisu Naga. You see, in the ancient land that they call Magadha, there was a tribe that they called Judah. And from this tribe, it's the one they call the Buddha. To blacks, this information is new to this, but our black ancestors were proud Black Buddhists. Just like in the movie The Hidden Figures, Black Buddhists are the real niggas. Martin Luther King said, let freedom ring. The name of the Nagas in the ancient African language means king. Look at the symbol on medicine. The serpent is called a Naga.